Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is the second grade game called Rock Around the Clock, and it can be found in our second grade math kit. This game is all about telling time to the nearest 5 minutes. Students will have counters that have a red and yellow side to them. They'll have pawns that they'll move around the board, and they'll have a dice that they can roll. They'll also have a clock that they can use if they need to. So this is getting students to understand analog time as well as digital time. So they'll see the digital time, they'll land on it, and they have to find an analog clock on the board that represents that time. So students will start at midnight and they'll take turns. They'll roll the dice, and so this one says 4, and I'm going to move 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the time says 2 hours and 50 minutes. So the student is going to have to figure out which one of these clocks equals 2 hours and 50 minutes. They can use this clock to help them by moving and rotating the hands and seeing that the minutes are on there, so that can help them. Once they've located 2 hours and 50 minutes, and I'm trying to find it on the board as we speak, they are going to cover it with their pawn in their color. Then it's the next player's turn, and they'll roll and they'll move their pawn. Now, they all these times are on there more than once. So one of the clocks might be already filled, and so that student would lose that turn if that clock is already covered. So the winner of the game is that person that has the most colored counters on the board. So it's just a simple game, but it has kids understanding analog clocks, reading analog clocks, as well as digital time. Enjoy.